Uh, I'm Parvez and today is our 7th video in Unity 5 3D game development and C# scripting. Today we are going to make a splash screen in Unity 5. Okay, then let's get started. I have made a new scene. Now I want to remove the directional light from this scene because we don't need to directional light in this video. After that, choose your main camera and the lighting you remove because we don't need to a skybox like this, and the inspector you change the color. I change this to like this in the game scene. Okay, now I have downloaded this image from the icon archive. You can use your image, your logo, if you have any company or anything, but I'm using, for the purpose of this video, I'm using this Battlefield logo. Okay, now from the game object, 3D object, from the UI, from the game object UI, make image. Okay, now make it 2D and change the directional like this. Okay, now choose this image and add your image to this source image in here like this, and change the width to 350 and the height to 350 like this. You can see that we have this in here in game mode. Okay, now I make a new C# script, create C# script, and I call this splashing. Now I open this in Visual Studio. Okay. The first thing you need, first of all, I should remove this. You need some imports. The first one is using Unity engine.ui because we are using image from the UI. Also, we need using Unity engine.scene management because we are loading our gameplay scene after fading out our logo. Now make two public variables. The first one is public image, call it splashing screen, and the second one we need a public string and call it loading level. Okay, now make an enumerator, enumerator start. Now we are taking our splashing screen and dot canvas render. We are setting the alpha to 0.0 float. Okay, if you open your Unity engine, if you choose this image, you can see that we have a color in here. In here we have alpha. You can see that if I bring alpha to 0, it's fading out, and if I bring it to 255, it's fading in. Okay, now make two functions. The first one is fade in. I call it in here, and make yield return new wait for seconds, and give it 3.0 seconds for the fade in, and for the fade out yield return new wait for seconds, also give it 3 seconds. Okay, now from here we need our functions. We should write this. The first one is void fade in. I choose this. Okay, now take your splash screen dot cross fade alpha. It needs three parameters. The first one is float alpha. We give it 1 for feed in. Okay, it means 100% feed in. And the second one is the time. We give it 2 seconds. And the third one is a boolean value. We give it false. This is fade in. Now we make our fade out. Fade out. And here you can also take your splash screen dot cross feed alpha. The first now make it 0 because we are fading out. The time should be 2.5 seconds and the boolean value is false. Okay. Now this is our code. You can check this. And also I forgot that in here we should make a scene manager dot load scene and give your loading level in here. Now open your Unity engine, choose your main camera. Let me check that I have saved it. Yes. Choose your main camera and add this splashing in here. Okay, now you can see that we have a splashing screen and loading level. For the splashing screen, you give the image, this image, and for the level, because from the previous videos I have a skybox. It was from the previous video. I'm loading this skybox. In here you can write sky box, and now open your belt setting. I have already added, but you can also add. Let me remove this. Okay, I just add the splash and the skybox in here because I have in here, but you should drag and drop these two in here. Now if I run this, you can see that it is fading out and it's bringing me the skybox scene. Okay, let me run it again. Now it's fading out and bringing the skybox level like this. Okay, thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and I will add the source code of this video in the description. And also for the further videos, please subscribe and like my videos.